Welcome back to Scatterbox Not Built. So in this episode we're going to be customising someone's first RC car. So for a lot of people, their first RC car was a Lunchbox, and this will be his first RC car as well. But we're going to put a few twists on it. So I was asked, what do we want to go for? Basically given a brief of he likes red, blue and Poppy's Playtime. So we're going to make Poppy's Lunchbox. A few little touches on it, so he can have his own number plate. Set of exhausts, which you can see on this one. Number plates actually just clip onto the back bumper, like that. Now you'll notice we've also got a number plate on the standard body, but that's going to be removed. Now we're not going to be using this body because this one's for another project, as it's in better days. So we're going to turn that into something else. But first step, let's get the chassis built up. There's the first step, which is getting the servo centred and the mounts on. That's the next step, we got the body mounts on. Now I know you can get the aluminium body mounts, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep these chrome or paint them, but we'll find out. I've also suggested that upgrading to aluminium mounts could be a nice little modification for him to do to his first RC car, so I'll leave that one up to him. The servo mounted. So due to Tamiya not supplying Tamiya ESCs at the moment, there's a slight difference between mounting the power switch. So usually the power switch has got 2 screw holes either side, and this is on the ESC that is supplied with the kit, and it's different. So I've got 2 choices. I can either make a bracket up, or I can solder a switch off an ESC that will fit. So I'll probably go down that route. So there we have a on-off switch that actually fits the chassis. That's all soldered in. Receiver and ESC mounted. There will be some cable management because we're going to add some lights into it. And there's a switch fitted. All nice and secure. So the gearbox all together. As you can see, I haven't used the plastic bushes. We've put some bearings in there. There's a motor mount fitted to the motor. I'll trim the excess off here once I've got it all sorted. Here we have the gearbox assembly with the wheelie bar as well. That's the gearbox now mounted to the chassis. Now onto the rear shocks. So rear shocks all put together and fitted. The under tray and steering arms done. One set to 30mm, one set to 48mm. But before fitting this, we're actually going to go ahead and fit a transmission brace for it. So to fit it, you place it on the under tray, line it up, and then you can use the holes there, mark it and drill 2 3mm holes, and then you'll be able to fit your screws from underneath. So we'll get that done now. There we go, that's the brace fitted. That's the front arms all built up, so there's not actually that much left to go now. Just the fitting the arms, fitting the front bumper and the front shocks, and then we're onto the body. So that's the chassis complete. Last thing to finish it off is the wheels, but we need to give them the coat of paint. That's the wheels painted. We're going for red. Now let's get them fitted on the chassis, get the tyres on. So one of the first things we're going to do to prep the Lunchbox for paint is actually remove the license plate off the back door, because we're going to be putting a personalised number plate on it, as well as a set of custom printed exhausts, which means removing the exhaust or making some custom runners for the side of this one. So let's get that sorted. There you go, you can see the number plate has now been removed. That's a Lunchbox with a coat of plastic primer. Also removed the front indicators for what we're going to do on the side of it. So there's a body painted. We've gone for a metallic blue. Indicators have been removed off the front. And number plate from the rear. So the plan for the rest of it is to try and get the side here, put a mouth on it, They'll look the same as Huggy Wuggies. Right, let's get on with that then. So I've done a few sketches to decide how I was going to have the mouth looking. I've then gone and designed that so that they can be cut out on the Cricut, and I've done it in different layers. So we've got a black outline, we've got the lips, and then we've got the teeth. So the plan is put these on top of each other, stick them on the side. Here's one side already done. I think we're going to go with the black bumper on it. Still undecided on the side skirts. And obviously black bumper with the number plate and the exhaust underneath. I've also got a selection of different stickers that I can use to decorate the rest of it. But I'll have to figure that out once it's done. So I have in fact decided to go with the black bumpers, black side skirts. I've removed the exhaust off the bottom as well, because we'll be fitting the custom printed one. I've left the reflectors clean on the bumper as well, because of course we're going to be fitting LEDs. Did some LED holders for it, and also got the exhaust painted up. So now it's time to get it all fitted together and see how it looks. So there we've got the body on top of the chassis. Painted all the bumpers black, fitted the personalised number plate, as well as the quad exhaust. And of course we've gone for red LEDs. Now I just need to finalise the last couple of decals. Decide what the setup's going to be on the side. On the back door, I've also got to sort out the lights as well. But other than that, we're pretty much done. So I'll see you when I've got those sorted out. And that's Poppy's Lunchbox complete. So I've gone for fairly simple stickers on the side. Painted up the rear lights on there, back lights as well. For the rear stickers, Huggy Wuggy, and there was a pretty cool split face one in there. So we've gone with that on the back doors. Also put the cut in the sticker there. Just about see between the doors. Same on the side there. And then just a simple Huggy Wuggy on the front. I'm a little bit biased, but I'd say that ain't a bad first RC car, to be fair. Hopefully he enjoys it. As I say, he'll have had it by the time this video comes out, as I've been working on it for the last month or so, but not been able to put the video up until he's actually got it, just in case he saw it, because it's supposed to be a surprise. So hopefully he likes it.